see. So how much we can able to try on this one. For the first time, I'm using Google Slides for my presentation. Actually, Google has one picture, one means like a board kind of stuff is also there. Okay, but we'll see here it is. So it's a shape is required. It's the shape. So it's a represent a computer. Okay, it's represent a computer, but we need a thickness. How to get a thickness on it? It's okay, I think. Yeah, it's okay. Good. Can we put something inside? Like this. Okay, guys. This is for example, PCA. Okay, think you have a PCA. Okay, now this PCA, and I'm going to another computer, so I have a minimum 2 computers. Already I told what is our concept is. First thing we are going to learn how to share a data or a folder from one PC to another PC. So this is my PCB. This is my PCB. So yeah, PCB. Okay. So important is you have to note down. So from where you are sharing, and from where you are accessing. That is a thing, right? So first of all, PCA, which is my virtual machine here. I want to share the data from this virtual machine so I can access from my physical machine. So we need 2 computers. So one computer sharing a data, another computer accessing the data. So for example, this is the data 1. The folder name is data 1 here. What I'm going to do is I shared this data, one folder. I'm sharing this data 1 folder. Oh. Okay, it is a data 1. So in this PCB, I'm accessing this data 1. From PCB, I'm accessing this data 1. I'm accessing this data 1. So what are the data in the data 1? I can able to see, read, write from the PCB. Important is both should be in a same network. So guys, it does not mean the line does not mean it is a bus topology. It's just a representation. It is a network. It is in the network. Of course, we can increase size also. Okay, you can increase the size, like you can click here. This is thickness. It's the thickness. So you can change the colors also, but I'm not doing anything like that. The thickness. Yeah, you can put a dashed line like this. So I'm accessing this data 1 from PCB. Hey, this is a bit much better than that our PPTs. Okay, now I have a data1 folder. So before we go to the next point, guys, first of all, check the IP address of PCA. So first of all, go to PCA. Guys, understanding? IP address, SubnetMask. Actually, that is not much required. IP address is enough. SubnetMask default gateway is not much enough. Okay, not required exactly. Okay, but just keep it like that. So there is sometimes in a real time you must check the SubnetMask. Also make sure that both PCs are maintaining same network ID, same SubnetMask, same network ID. So to understand what is a network ID, we need a SubnetMask also. So keep it that way. Next, username. As for local policies, compulsory the computer which is sharing the data must have a username and password as per the internal policies. Okay, so we can change that policies also, but we are taking plainly. So what is the username and what is the password? Okay. So same information, you want to get it, you want to take it from PCB, you can take it. So no problem. So first of all, PCA name is a PCA. Other any name, you can put a name of the PCA also. You can take it. So that is also, you must know how to check the computer name. Okay. So first of all, PCA details we are going to check it. So this is my PCA at present. Okay. At present, this is my PCA. Refresh. Okay. How to check IP address, guys? You can use command prompt, or you can go to network adapter settings, right? So go to control panel, network and sharing center, change adapter settings. There you will find your adapter. Right click, status details, you will find it. So I'm going to CMD banner because I like it. Okay, next. If you want, you can increase this one also. So I am going to increase the font size. This command prompt. So font size is 20 is better. 24 is much better. Okay, so only font size I am increasing, but instead of increasing font size, it increases the size of the window. It's okay, no problem. ipconfig / all is not required. ipconfig is enough to know the IP address, right? So this is my current IP address. This is my IP address. This is my SubnetMask and my default gateway. CLS, clear the screen, guys. Again, check the IP address. ipconfig is enough to know the IP address. If you want to know the DHCP address, DNS address, your host name, like that. So your MAC address, you must give ipconfig space / all. Here also you will get it. What is your DNS server address, DHCP server address, default gateway, your subnet mask, your IP address, and your physical address means MAC address. Okay, and also you will get it. This is your computer name. Okay, so this is the information you will get it. Okay, so this is your computer name. Next, we don't require MAC addresses here. If you want, you can take it, no problem. SubnetMask. Name. So you want to know what is the username. So if you click here, easily will find it. Just click on this one. So SD user1. Username is SD user1. Password I know, admin@123. Okay, I given password admin@123. So these are the information, right? So this is the my computer name currently. If I want, I will change it also. I can change this computer name also. Okay, and it is a work group PC. Remember, this is a work group PC, not a domain PC. Guys, understand how to check the computer name?
Yes, sir.
And SubnetMask kind of stuff. Okay. So one more is there, small one more, that is also will try to explain some of the Windows commands. So this is the information of PCA. So next one is, if you want, you can get the PCB information also. This entire text box I want to copy and I want to paste it. These things are different. Okay, so this is completely PCB information. Computer name is different, IP address different. So I have to check my PC's IP address, right? IP config /r. So then I will get my computer name also. It is not much important, just I want to show you this. This is my computer. Okay, host name. Next. Okay, so this is my Wi-Fi adapter. This is my IP address. Okay. So this is IP address. Same subnet mask, no change it. Subnet mask is nothing. So username is different. So username is different. So I have to check it here from this adapter. Sorry, this is my username. This is different. So just for your understanding, I am giving SD2. Just for our understanding. Okay. So this is some computer name, desktop1, like a PC1 or a PCB. You can use it. So this is whatever it is the name, what are the possibilities. Actually, this information is not required, but I'm showing the information. Okay, PCB information is not very important, but only thing is important is, guys, your PCA is having a username and password is important, IP address is important, and both must be in the same network. Next important one again. So I want to show something to you. So if you are understanding, good. If you don't understand, it's okay. Already I told this one, ARP space -A. So this is a ARP space -A command, address resolution protocol. So this is my adapter. So this is 193. Why, how 193 is visible here? So I want to check it once again. 193 is there. From here, 1 second, I want to confirm something. Entire my system is become slow. There is a two reasons. One is this virtual machine running with a 4 GB RAM. Okay. Second one is maybe in a background there is a updates are going on. There is another reason. Yeah. Address resolution protocol, guys. This is the IP address of my virtual machine. So it's a virtual machine's MAC address. Understand? This is the IP address of my virtual machine. So then it is a MAC address of my virtual machine, which is I am getting that information from my physical machine only. How it is possible? Because of so it is physical address. It is showing like this. Again, once again, try. Why it is showing in different way? No. It is wrong. This is correct. Okay, I will check it once. ARP space -A. There is a wrong information. Yeah, it is showing like this. It's my physical machine MAC address. My physical machine MAC address. So see, it is my physical machine. So ARP space -A is maps IP address and a MAC address of the PCs. Okay, here it is. Okay, don't worry about it. So we'll do second part. What is the second part? Here it is. From PCA. From PCA, I'm pinging to PCB IP, means another PC. Pinging to PCB. So how to ping? So ping IP address 192.168.29.118. So this is the thing I have to do it from CMD. In CMD, you have to ping command, you have to do it. So make sure both are communicating each other. Next, this is also like a troubleshooting. Before you are getting an error, so better to check. So in PCB, so go to PCB, ping to PCA. How to put it? So command prompt, in that one, ping 192.168.29.193. So PC 193, right? So this is a ping test. Make sure both systems communicating each other. Okay, so we have to do ping test from PCA to PCB, PCB to PCA. So first, what is a PCA here? PCA is my so here it is. I'm pinging to my PCB, that is 192.168.29.118. That is my physical machine PCB. So I'm able to pinging. One-way communication is their guarantee. So we are confirm PCA can able to ping to PCB. Okay, that is we are confirming it. Next, so this is my, what is this PC? So this is my 118 PCB. From PCB to PCA communication 192.168.29.193. Guys, when you are typing, be careful with the IP address. So by habitual, I put a 163 instead of 193. It goes wrong, or you may get a good reply. You may not get a good reply. So anyway, it is a wrong. Okay. So give the correct IP address, check the IP address, note down the IP address in a pen and paper, do it. So like this, how I note down, so do it. For starters, it is always better to write on a notebook. So it is waiting. It is not fastly won't come, or maybe it will give you some kind of result like this. Request timed out. There is a two reasons. Already I told request timed out is either your IP address is wrong, either you given a IP address is wrong, or maybe PC is not available. PC is not available. Third one is firewall. You are getting this kind of issue. Meaning is either your PC IP address is wrong, so the destination IP address is wrong, a destination device is not available. Third one is firewall. Of course, there is a fourth one is there. The fourth one is initial one. Sometimes it will take a time to get to the server. So what I am going is I am putting a /t to give continuous ping statements. So why? Because of for one time, two time, it will give you a problem. So guys, this is a one more troubleshooting, guys. I am pinging to my PCA, but I am unable to get a reply. IP address is correct. SubnetMask is also good. Same SubnetMask. So network ID is 192.168.29 is a network ID. Host parts are different. Network is same. Host is different. And we are able to ping from PCA to PCB, but not PCB to PCA. That's the situation is happen here. So this is that we got an issue. What is an issue? We got it. Unable to ping to PCA from PCB, and we are getting request timed out like that, right? So what we are getting request timed out. Okay, so we are error is request timed out we are getting. So there is a possibility is from PCA. The first one is both are in network ID is same, and very important is from PCA to PCB. This is also very useful for your in interviews. Okay, from PCB to PCA can communicate each other. So PCA to PCB ping reply means success. So what is the possible? Already I tell identify the issue. Probable cause. Probable cause. Why we are getting this? What is the possibility of the error? Where is a problem? So then that is we have to guess possible cause, probable causes. Okay, so possible. Firewall. Okay, blocking. So one is firewall blocking. So very simply say firewall blocking at PC. Yeah, I think so. Or PCB. Okay, possibilities. So first I will check the PCA. So here it is. One chance is there. That is first one is either you disable firewall at PCA. Second, no. PCA. B, yellow ping request to PCA. Okay, so you have to do in firewall yellow ping request to PCA. So these three things we have to try. So what is the third one? Test your theory. So establish some what are the solutions we have to create. Now we are going to implement. Guys, understanding SOP and issue. Identify. What is the SOP? Identify the issue. Establish probable causes. Test your theory. Fourth one is implement. So first implement. Either either it is a disabling firewall, but I'm not preferring to disable the firewall. How to open a firewall? Firewall.cpl. I go to firewall.cpl, or you can go to control panel. You can go to control panel. There you can find a firewall. So still I am getting request timed out. So I thought it is a problem with the PCA only, because PCB is there. So this is the firewall. So look at here, control panel. Yeah, I went to back. Sorry. Large icons. There you'll find Windows Defender firewall. Private network, guest or public networks, or firewall is there. So what is the firewall will do? Firewall will create something like firewall. So it's not allow outside to inside traffic. So you can send a request outside, so you will get a reply, but from outside to inside you cannot allow anything. So through firewall. So either you disable this firewall like this, go to turn Windows firewall on or off. So in this side you will find turn Windows firewall on or off. You can turn off the firewall. Guys, if you turn off the firewall, no problem. If you are in the private network, if you are in the protected network, means for example you are in an organization working in a company and you have a firewall is there for your organization. Entire organization is protected with a firewall. Entire organization is protected by a firewall. A specific firewall is installed, like a Cisco PIX or a ASA servers or a checkpoint servers. So they're already installed IDS, IPS systems like that. Firewalls there are installed. So then no problem, from outside to inside, inside to outside, it is filtered. So if you on or off the firewall, no problem. But when you are in a public network, public means if you are connected to any public Wi-Fi network, unsecured Wi-Fi network, unsecured networks, firewall is must be there for your protection. So how to do? Same thing, like if I am trying to do something, if I am not succeeded, so then I definitely turn off my firewall. Otherwise, I will test myself like a firewall turn off, click OK. Can you check it? So reply from my destination I am getting. So I'm sure it's a firewall problem. I'm sure it's a firewall problem, right? Understand, guys? It's a firewall problem. So when I turn off this firewall, so I am getting reply. When I turn on this firewall, so it is showing this error, right? So when I turn on this firewall, what will happen? You see. So again, it is request timed out. So where is the problem? Firewall related issue. You can turn off the firewall, no problem. Also, we can do some other things. We can go to advanced settings. Okay, go to advanced settings. So it will taking time. So. Why this is not showing advanced settings? I think it is updating in background. Guys, when you are looking at your piece, it's very slow. It's dead slow kind of stuff. There is a one more possibility, that is background updates. So you can go to update and security. You have to wait a minute, so then it will open. The firewall is opened for 4 times. And it is closed once it is update. Okay. So your device is missing important security and fixes. You are not up to date. So today it is checked. That's why it is taking time. And this is the latest version 21H2. Okay, this is the latest version of Windows 10. So you can download and install. So you may get an error. Okay. So you can check for updates also, no problem. But it is not, why it is slow even if it is not updating. Okay, now following, guys, this is the advanced firewall security. Go to inbound rules. There is a no inbound rules. Why? And go to outbound rules. Why inbound and outbound rules are not loading? So it is taking time. Okay, it is taking time. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to inbound rules. I'm going to find where is this ICMP related. So it is, so you can ICMP. What is ICMP protocol use? ICMP for pinging. Pinging protocol is ICMP protocol. Echo request. Echo request means echo mechanism, ping request. Okay, so there is a no check mark, no green check mark, no red check marks. Green and red is not there. So find out where is this ICMP IPv4 domain, private public. This is private public, and this is also a domain. But this is IPv4 domain, private public. So I'm not in a domain. This is enough. So I click it, enable the rule, just check mark. Can you see it is enabled in yellow? So I am trying here. So here it is. Very simply I am getting here. So that is the problem is solved. You can go to outbound rules also. You can find outbound rules related also. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. Sorry, no, not like that. Print screen. I'll put it in a slide. Okay, so better how to crop it. No, cropping. Okay, so then we need something like this. Yeah. Control C. I'm missing something here. Like this. Try this in a small way, or like this, or I am using a check mark here. So try to understand what we are done. So what we are done. So I go to firewall inbound rules. Just I enable this one, and I enable it. Very simple. Right click, enable the rules, and make sure it is yellow. If it is deny, it won't work. Okay, you can change it also. Just you can open this rule. Okay, you can open the rules. You can deny it also. But important is, yes, we are getting replies. So guys, how to solve the problem without turn off the firewall. So here it is. It is opening slowly. Okay, yellow connection. Yellow the connection if it is secure. Block the connection. So you can block it also. So you are enable the rule, but for blocking. So this is the. If you are in a domain, so you can also enable this one. If you are in a private or public, just I am allowing only the ping. Of course, so many are by default it is yellowed. Okay, but I'm allowing ping request. So now one problem is solved. One problem is solved. Ping request problem is solved. Sharing that one again. If you got a problem with the sharing, definitely it is a big problem. Guys, understand troubleshooting? So here is the two pieces. This is the PCA, PCB. When I'm pinging from PCA to PCB, PCA to PCB pings access. Okay, and I'm pinging to PCB to PCA request timed out. Request timed out. So whatever it is, both are in the same physical network. Both are network IDs are same. That too, very importantly, PCA to PCB communication is there. Reverse is not there. So PCB ping request not accepted by PCA. So I thought it is a possible firewall. either PCA side or PCB side. Most possibly PCA side only. So you have two choices. One is you have to disable the PCA, or you are allowing PCA. So you can disable the firewall PCA, or you have to allow ping request at a PCB. So how to do it? The second one or the first one, how to do it? That's the first thing is. So I went to run. In a run, I put a firewall.cpl. Yes, one more choice is there. That is, go to control panel. Okay. Go to control panel, and in a control panel, Windows Defender firewall. So this is the one. Okay. So to disable firewall, disable where I went, turn Windows firewall on or off. Defender firewall, sorry. You can put a Windows firewall also, no problem. Defender on or off. Okay. To disable firewall, turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Okay. So there you can use like turn off. Okay. You can choose turn off like this. Okay. So choose turn off. So I put a 6 point here. Sixth point. To turn off, to disable firewall, we have to do it like this. Next one is, so we have something like this. Oh, mistake. Still some more moment. So I have no mistakes. Okay, so here it is. You can go to hello ping request firewall. Which option you have to go? Advanced settings. Advanced settings. Okay. Search for networking diagnosis. diagnostics ICMP echo request bracket ICMP v4 in. So put a right click, enable, make sure yellow part is also important. So this is inbound. So first of all, advanced settings in inbound, right side, left side, inbound rules. You can create your own rules also, no problem. If in case you don't want to search and doing and all, you can do own rules also. Okay, this is one of the troubleshooting technique. Okay, so this is very simple troubleshooting. So we started with sharing, but before we share, what is the important, guys? Collect the information of devices, both PC's IP address, SubnetMask, usernames, and passwords. And main important, which PC is sharing that PC's IP address and username and passwords. These are very important. So what are the important things? Users. How to highlight it? Yeah, here it is. Next, username and password. Okay, username and password. And computer name. Computer name. This is very important. So anyway, both should be in the same network. Both should be communicate each other. If you are not communicating, you have to troubleshoot. So what is the issue? First identify the issues and verify what is the cause of this issue, establish your theory, and finally make it work. Okay, make it work. So here it is, I got a firewall related problem, then I solve my firewall. Either I disable my firewall or I choose or I choose in firewall allow ping request. To allow the ping request, you have to go to advanced settings, inbound roles, core networking, diagnostic, ICMP request, ICMP version 4. So there it is a private part. This is a domain, this is a private. So be careful in a private, I'm allowing it. Otherwise you can allow both the things. A profile. So profile must be private. So you have to carefully check this one. Profile is private. Okay, guys, understand up to here? So before you are getting any issues, you have to do solve the networking related issue. No one is selling anything, no problem. Okay. Now how to share the folder? How to share the folder? Different ways to share the folder is, guys, first of all, from anywhere, either you're in a C drive, either you can choose your C drive, okay, you can put it in your C drive, or you can D drive, or in a desktop. So D drive currently it is my system image, so I can create a separate drive also. Not currently, I'm not doing that one. So what I'm doing, I'm on my desktop only, I'm creating this for our easy to understand. So this is a folder. First folder is a data one. In this data one, in PCA, I'm creating data in the data one. So, and I'm going to put some files inside. Okay, some files inside. So now when we are want to do something, this won't no cooperation. See, it is got freezed. Okay, so what I am doing is sharing data from PCA. Okay, how I'm sharing? So PCA at PCA first point A folder name data one. Okay, next create some files in data one. So this is a sharing data from PCA. So one there is a 3-4 things are there. That's why I'm telling 1, 2, 3 kind of stuff. We'll try. Yeah, here it is. One notepad is created now. Better is use command prompt to create like this. Simple. I want to rename it, so it is showing this list. Rename. So I want to rename as file A1. Okay. Next, I want to put something inside. So this is FA1 file. Okay. Just I created a file. Just save it. Okay. If you want, you can create another file also. So like new text document FA2 file. So you can put it. So this is FA2 file. Anything you can put it, just to know it is there. So 2 files are created under data 1. Okay, so files are created. The start step is sharing. Right click on the folder, go to properties. Guys, there is a sharing options also there from here, like you given access to share with specific people. Simple shares are there. Don't do kind of stuff. Practice like this only if possible, or at least understand like this. Okay, right click on a folder, properties. There you can see here it is. This is a data one directory. Next, go to sharing, advanced sharing. Go to sharing. Sorry, 1 second. Go to sharing, advanced sharing. go to sharing tab, and then don't go to list one, go to sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder, and go to permissions for everyone, full control. This is only read, means what are the files are there, I can view the files, but I cannot put any files inside, means two-way communication won't be there in a only read part. Full means two-way communication. After that, click apply, OK, apply, OK, and OK. Before going to OK, so go to network path. Okay, so in this one, you have to go to right click, properties part, then only you will get it. Okay, so yeah, very good. Share this permissions. Okay, pictorial wise it is very easy. Pictorial wise it is very easy, guys. In reality it is not much easy. Sorry, picture wise we can easily see, but you have to, if you want to explain in a step by step, you have to practice. I'm not saying it is not easy, I'm saying it is, you have to practice. All my previous classes when I'm teaching this kind of stuff, mainly CTS batches, I'll do it at least 2-3 times. I will tell them to repeat after me. So it is a very simple. You can put a easy diagram also like this, arrows. So from here to here, not that one. This is okay. This is also okay. Okay. So straight arrow, end line, file arrow. Next, once you have got it, you'll get this kind of stuff. So you have to go to this. There's so many are there. So you have to go to this sharing part. Okay, go to sharing tab. Then you have to go click on this advanced sharing. Click on advanced sharing. So this advanced sharing will give you a window like this. Okay, window like this, and also this will giving this window, right? So this is another point. Now you have to click on permissions. Click on permissions. So once you click on permissions, it will give you this window. Okay. Next, in this one, generally it is a read only there. So I select all the things, full permissions. Okay, I given a full permissions. Then what I have to do? Apply. Next, I have to give OK. Then I have to give OK. Okay. Then that's it. Don't change. Don't change. Don't change. Okay. Apply OK. OK kind of stuff. Okay. Next point I will show you. That's in a window way. Guys, insert the data. Next. First of all, I will do it like here it is. Apply. OK. Apply. OK. So just wait, it is network path it will shows. Network path it will shows. Okay, so this is the path it is showing. Okay, then close. But I'm not closing. Okay, I'm not closing it. I'm going to write here what it is. So on folder, on data1 folder, right click, properties, then go to sharing tab, on sharing tab, go to advanced sharing. Once it is open, check here this folder. You can see this. Check the share this folder and go to permissions. Go to permissions. So there is a everyone. I'm sharing to everyone. Means there is we are not in a domain, so we are not restricting user base. Okay, so everyone full control. Only read is there. Now I put a full control. Next, apply. Okay. Then okay. Wait. Then go to security tab, because sometimes security permissions are not there. You are unable to access. So go to security tab. Okay. Go to security tab. Go to edit. Go to edit. Add. Add. Give everyone. Sorry. Yeah, everyone. Check names. Click OK. There is a multiple steps are there, guys. So up to first one is like this. Okay. Check names. Click OK. So I'm taking a print screen. Okay. This is a security part, right? So then I have to go to next by creating new slide. What happened? Okay. So in this one, you have to go to security tab. Then click on edit. Click on edit. So then you'll get it. Okay, this window. So once you are open, this will be open. Next, here you have to go to add. I never taken this much time. No. Okay. Click on add. Once you are click on add, this window. Yeah, what happened? Yes, sir. This will be open. Okay, so what is the next point is type everyone. Okay, so here it is. Type this everyone part and check names. Click check names. Okay, then click OK. Then click OK. So then your name will be visible. So what you will do, just click OK. So click on everyone, give full control. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Yeah, I'm creating so many slides. It is very useful in case of future reference. Okay, normally my training is based on a practice only. You don't have a PCs, most of you, not a virtual machines at all. So options will be very useful. This is only for first time. So okay, so guys, this is the everyone. Next you have to give full control. Anyway, we know that one. What to do next? Click apply or OK, then click close. Finally click close. So this is what we have to do it. Click on everyone, click allow, apply, OK. So done, close. So sharing is completed. Sharing is completed. But we have to write the steps. Go to security tab. Then we have to go to edit. Then add, type everyone. Type everyone. That box. Okay. So there, check names. Click on check names. Then click OK. Apply. Click OK. In a second window, what it is. So select everyone. Here you have to give full control. Check full control. Right. OK. Close. That's it. So this is a sharing. Now next point is accessing. Important is accessing shared folder from PCB. So where to go? Go to PCB. Go to run. In run box, give like this / guys. Remember this slash and IP address of PCA like this. Go to run. The run / PCA IP address is 192.168.29.193. Then after this part, it asks for a username, password of PCA, username and password of PCA. So you have to give username of PCA and password. So what is the username here, guys? Again, so SD user1. So what is the password? We are given admin@123. So we'll see the last end. Okay, so last part. Just sharing is. This is just sharing. There are a lot of sharings are there. So look at here. This is the run. Okay. So this is a run //192.168.29.193. Okay. So this part. Next, once you are open, it try to find where it is. For first time, generally for first time, it is trying to access your username and password. So SD user1, and I'm giving password admin@123. So you can select remember my credentials or not. Also, that is your completely your wish. Okay. Still ask for username and password. So you give like this, you will get like this. So I given, I click OK. So I got a data one. See, I have a files. I can read the file content. I can read the file content. I can create a file or I can transfer the file. So for example, in my PC, see here it is, some data is there. I want to copy some files. Just I am copying some files. Copy. I'm pasting in a data one. Look at, I'm pasting in data one. So three files are pasted. So here it is. Minimize, minimize. Go to the PCA. This data one. Look at here. The files are came. Just understanding. Very simple is a in a paintbrush. This is simple to understand. See, this is a symbolic representation of update. That's why system is become slow. We don't worry. After class only, I will go into update. See, look at here. So this is a PCA which sharing the data. This is PCB which is accessing the data, So it is contains data one directory, which contains the data. So now what happened? I want to access this data. So how to access the data? In this PCB, under run, of course, not only a run, guys, in a CMD prompt also you can do it, but run is a safe point. Put it // you have to put a IP address of PCA. So this is a PCA. So this is PCB, for example. So PCA's IP address, we should put it. To put a PCA IP address, what we have to do? We have to check the IP address of PCA. What is the PCA IP address? 192.168.29.193. This is the IP address of PCA. So what you have to do here? / 192.168.29.193. So for example, when you are accessing like this, you are not getting. So there is a possibility that network related issues are there. There is a possibility that you have a network related issues. What are the network related issues are there, guys? In common network related issues, one is physical connectivity. Next one is IP address. Next one is IP address. Third one is whether both are communicating or not. Any firewalls issues are there. Okay, so physically connection is good. So we checked physically network is good. Second one is both IP addresses. Both PCs IP addresses must be in the network. Both are in the same physical network. Both are same logically. Both are in the same network. Okay. So both are is logically also same network. Both are logically same network. Sorry. Both are logically same network. Both are connected each other. Correct. Okay. So, but when I'm trying to ping, when I'm trying to ping, sorry. Redo. Okay. When I'm trying to ping, I'm not getting ping reply. So what it is happen? I am able to ping from PCA to PCB, but I am unable to ping from PCB to PCA. Ping is not successful. So where is the issue I found? In the firewall. So I create an exception in the firewall and make sure this is communicating each other. Problem is solved and try again. Instead of try again, I solve the problem first. Then I start doing sharing. So I share the folder, I'm accessing. So in a sharing of this folder, two things are important. Sharing of the folder, one is sharing tab, another one is security tab. Security is a NTFS security, protect your data from unauthorized access. So I'm giving to everyone so anybody can able to access the data, but not exactly. There's a lot of differences are there. So when you put this IP address like this, what it will do? A box will be appear. It asks for a username and a password. And there this window will open. And what are the data? So data 1 data content. It shows data 1 content data, and as well as you can put a data inside. You can check it from here. So this is the basic practical, guys. Two PCs, one PC sharing a data, another PC is accessing the data. Of course, there is a totally three practicals we can able to tell. One is this practical. Second one is administrative sharing. Third one is mounting. Totally three practicals are there to see. So I'm showing how to do this administrative sharing. duplicate here. I'm going to create a folder. Same only, no change. In the first practical and second practical, no change. It's a data2. Directory name is data2. Just I'm copying some files from here to there. So just for a like, it's a kind of it contains the data. Okay, so it's a data2 directory. It contains the data. Now see data2 directory. How to share it, guys? Go to properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, full control, apply. Okay, but small thing I am doing here, I'm putting a dollar after data2. After data2, I'm putting a dollar. Apply. Okay, so it is a sharing. Of course, security, edit, add everyone. Check names. See, you can see everyone. Okay, select full control. Everyone. First select everyone, then select a full control. First everyone, then select full control. Apply. Okay, close. Now I'm going to my physical machine. So I'm going to another virtual machine. So another machine. So same / IP address. Data 1 is there. Where is the data 2? Where is data 2? Yeah, it is there. We'll see. It not showing directly. It will show from here. You have to give like this. / 192.168.29.193/$2. If you give $2, then only it will work. See, it is data is. Now you can able to see. Now you can able to see. You can put some data inside. Like I am copying data because I given a full control now. So no problem. I given a put a data here. It can be seen from this folder also. See, it is there is a folder file. I copied a data into your directory. It is accessible. But if you are accessing like this, you don't know data2 is there or not. If you know the data2, then only you can able to see it. So this is called a administrative share. Next. So this name is data1. This name is data2. I want to share something like I'm creating a directory. Directory name is data3. It contains some files. So I will collect some files. I'll put some files from here. Just to show that's only just to show we put some data inside. Okay, I can't able to create anything here, so something is there is a problem, so no problem. I put some files here. Just a sample purpose, not required everything. Okay, it's a data3 directory. It contains 2 files. I'm going to properties, data3 properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, full control, apply, okay. But this time I don't share with data. I put a name is share3. Share name I changed it. Earlier share name, after share name I put a dollar. Here in this one I put a share name is share3, different name, not data3. So in my PC it is a data3. When you are accessing it is share3. Okay, so when client is accessing It is a share 3. So click on everyone, select full control, apply, OK. So this is a data 3. It contains 2 files. Now I'm trying to access the data from here. See, it is showing data 1 and share 3. Why it is not showing data 3? Because share name it shows. For a data 1, I didn't change my share name. I have same name. Directory name, share name, both are data 1 only. But in this one, data 3 is a main directory. Share name is share 3. So same data it is there. And if you observe, data 1 is there, share 3 is there, data 2 is not there. Why it is? It is a administrative share. If you know there is a data 2, then you can access. If you don't know the share name, you cannot able to access the dollar kind of stuff. Guys, this is the almost like a third one. So here it is. One more point I want to say. I want to access this data 1 multiple times. Means every day I require this data 1. What I will do? Right click. Everyday requirement is there. So right click on this share. So original data stored in physical machine. This PCA. This is the original data is stored here. Okay. Now I want to put a data, or I want to access the data. I want easily. I no need to open everyday / IP address kind of stuff. What I will do, I right click, go to map network drive, click on map network drive. Okay, so just finish. Okay, so here it is. This PC, you can see E drive, F drive, H drive, D drive, Z drive. What is this Z drive? Your shared folder. So anytime, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you want to connect it. So you don't have to open run or anything. Just simply open your my computer kind of stuff like this PC. You can open your drive. Yeah, this is not working drive. Okay, it should show cross mark, not showing cross mark, but it's a very old drive. Okay, this is a new one today only. I heard this one. You can identify there is a IP address is also there. Okay, so yeah, so everything is slow. Now volume, guys, this is a data 1, share 3, data 1. Okay, you can open data 1 like this, or you can go to this PC and you can access the data directly from there. Why? How it is possible? By mapping the drive. Simple. Go to this, go to your shared folder. Okay, map network drive, select the drive letter, finish. Drive letters are in a reverse order, X, Y, Z, right, like this, Z, Y, X, like this. Normally we have a C drive, D drive, E drive, there it is reverse side, Z, Y, like that. Okay, so this is, see, this is a server which is not there now. It is showing cross mark, unable to connect. No problem. If your remote server is no longer available, you can remove it. So I am also showing that one. Okay, if it is showing cross mark, it is your remote server is no longer available, you can remove it. Because of my PC is slow, so it's not showing. Yeah, see, it is disconnected, so it is gone. Okay, So now only currently one only there. If I shut down my PCA, then I disconnect my PCA, so I cannot able to access. So I'm not writing anything here, guys, because no one is responding anything. I keep telling and leaving. Okay, so here it is. Last question. Last 2 points I want to tell. One is how many shared folders you have in your PC, because you don't know the share names, but you don't know the paths where original location of the directories also we don't know. Go to net share. Command is net share. Net share command will show you what is your data. See, it is data $2 shared in this location. Original location of the folder. This is the share name. This is the share name. This is the location. This is the share name. This is the original location. This is called a net share. Net share. Next one is you can go to comp mgmt.msc. Okay, don't worry, guys. It's already 1:30, around 1:30. So this is the comp mgmt.msc. This is shared folders. Expand shares. See, data 1, data 2, share 3. These are the share names. And what are these things? There are locations. What is these things? Client connections. How many number of clients are accessing your shared folder? So that is a client connections currently accessing. Okay, so this is all about your sharing. Actually, I want to tell about a printer and all. So we'll see tomorrow if possible. Okay. And go through all the questions, guys. Meanwhile, post any questions or answers. Things also we can able to discuss. Okay. Understand sharing and troubleshooting of network firewall related. Very good.